Life in these islands.
Makakaw.
Hot.
Come on.
From Kabalau to Naalehu, there's a certain way we do what we do. Day by day, at work or play in these islands. Grandma's dancing her favorite hula, brother's strumming tunes on his old guitar, Papa with the keiki, laughing the night away. Life in these islands. Life in these islands. Rock on the beach, playing in the sand, walking ancient trails in misty uplands, riding the surf on a rolling swell in these islands. Gathering flowers to string a lake, meeting with Ohana on a special day, sharing our aloha with everyone in these islands. Life in these islands. Life in these islands. If you follow your heart, you will understand that there's no place on earth like these islands. Strolling along on a moonlit night, telling stories by the firelight, breathing the ocean breeze of these islands. Where rivers flow out to the sea and returns to the land as it brings on me. There's no other feeling like in these islands. Life in these islands. Life in these islands. In these islands. Michael,